Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set a greeting message for first time customer on Instagram. So if you run any business on Instagram and you want the greeting message for your clients, like whenever they message you for the first time, you want them to have a good introduction of yours, like any sort of greeting message or any sort of welcome message, then I'll show you how you can easily set one. So first you have to simply open up your Instagram app, and once the app gets open you will be onto its homepage. Now what you have to do is that you have to simply go to the settings, and to go to the settings you have to go to your profile. So simply click onto your profile picture from the bottom. You will get there, then click onto the three lines from the top right corner, and once you get there you have to simply scroll down a bit. Once you scroll down a bit, you will see different options. Then we have this creator option. Click onto it. Then you will see this option, which is welcome message. Simply click onto that welcome message option. And after that, you will see this message. This is created by Instagram. If you want to keep it, you can do it. But if you want to remove it, just simply remove and add something that you would like to have as your welcome or greeting message for your clients. It could be something like, thank you for contacting, how may I help you, something like this, and you just have to simply set it up. And once you're done, just simply get back and it will get saved, but there are chances that it will not get saved for any sort of glitch. So you don't have to worry if that happens, then you just can get back to this page and can create it once again. So once I get back and I click onto it, you can see it is not saved. It has that all one. So if you face this issue, you don't have to worry. Just simply remove it and just simply type it again, because that could be because of any glitch or some issue. It happens with many users, so you don't have to worry regarding it. You can actually type it once again, and once you do it you just have to simply get back, and after that it will get saved. But if you say the same issue again, then you can just simply repeat the process. So what you have to do is that just simply get back. If it says updated, that means now it is saved, and once you get back you can see it has been saved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment, and thank you for watching the video till the very end.